Hey, what's up, y'all? This is me, Derek. How come I wake up and there's this random dude sleeping on my dad's truck? What is this man doing? Look, that's my dad's truck right there. Looking out my window. He's sleeping on my dad's truck. What the hell? Dude, just sleeping. What are you doing? I don't even know who this dude is. What? Aw, man, these bums in Tracy, though? Just sleeping on the truck? Man, get up off my truck. Oh man. These are bums in Tracy. Super baggy pants. Standing up, sleeping. Oh my god, man. Whatever. I'm gonna let that man sleep. I ain't finna bother him. But yeah. Bums in Tracy, sleeping on the truck.